video, and today I'll be doing a wig review / watercolor method and installing the wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you will never miss a single video. This is how the box looks. This wig was $50 on Amazon. I got an 8-inch bob, 613 hair. It comes with the wig. It comes with the net on it. This definitely don't look 8 inches, but I'm gonna see. It's a closure wig. Why does it look like this? Wait a minute. Oh, it sheds. What? This video is not sponsored, by the way. I did pay for this wig. I know, wait a minute. 613 hair supposed to shed like crazy. And I'm getting minimum shedding. Like I literally got one strand. No smell. I'm gonna take this wig off and see how this blonde wig looks on me. This is how it looks, but it came uneven, just like the review said. But I'm not really tripping because I'm gonna cut this even myself. It comes with, like they said, 10-inch, 14, 8-inch. Stay tuned for the video. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. The color I will be using is a Door Baby Blue in the color 172. Shedding I got from watercoloring it and washing it. This is what the wig looks like. I do like it.
You guys get high as me, whoa. drip up daily.